Hello my friends. Today, we're diving into the world of RealDash, an app that's set to revolutionize your driving experience. So, what exactly is RealDash APK? Don't miss out on the driving revolution. It's time to redefine your driving experience. Keep subscribed me and stay with SetNFix. This process will take some time to install. However, once the application is installed, you can find the installed app on the car stereo. Navigate to the Apps section and click on the RealDash app. When the app is running, you will first see the NAPCO logo, followed by the RealDash logo appearing like a car speedometer. My car stereo unit runs on Android 13 with 3 GB RAM, but it takes some time to load the RealDash app. After the loading is complete, you'll see a car dashboard on the display. Soon after, you'll encounter the language settings. Choose your preferred language and click Done. In the next window, you'll have two options: proceed with a tutorial or enter the app without a tutorial. If you opt out of the tutorial, click on Skip Tutorial. However, I recommend going through the tutorial as the settings can be more complicated. The app will then take you to your car garage, where you can access the car settings. There are numerous settings, and for accurate details from this car dashboard app, it's essential to enter all the correct data. I recommend keeping your car user manual handy to fill in the required information. To understand how the app retrieves real data, observe the settings. To connect the app with your car, you need to add a connection. In the connection settings, click the Add button. You'll find various connection types, and I selected the ODB2 connection. Choose the connection type, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or USB serial connections, and select Bluetooth. View the available Bluetooth devices and choose the ODB2 connection. Once the connection is established between RealDash and the ODB2 device, you need to enter some settings related to your car details. Watch the video for guidance. Although I haven't entered all the data, take your time to input accurate information into the RealDash app for precise outputs. Give a name to your vehicle profile. Check your existing car dashboard and find the maximum speed of the vehicle. Then enter the max speed here. In this section you can change the vehicle color. I am trying to change the color into white as my car is white. Now you can enter the car model. It may be sedan, hatchback, etc. Upon completing the settings, you can access the RealDash interface. In the dashboard view, touch the top of the display to reveal a drop-down list. Select Gallery, where you'll find various dashboard themes, some free and others premium. If you prefer a premium theme, you'll need to pay for it, but I chose a free one. After downloading the chosen theme, whether free or premium, you can use it as your dashboard. The selected free theme transforms the dashboard. Now, I'm going for a test run. As you start running, you'll observe a wealth of data, including GPS and car sensor data. Examine the dashboard details and appreciate the importance of this data. I'll add a separate short video about premium themes later. Watch the video until the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Stay with SetNFix.